Hey guys, Dr. Jonathon Mainieri, chiropractor. Today we're going to kind of talk about our percussion tool that we've developed and compare that to our Arthostim, which we do use. We use the percussion tool mainly for breaking up scar tissue, traps, scalenes, rhomboids in here. This is actually our wonderful back model, paraspinals, shoulders, glutes, any of those things, plantar fasciitis. The nice thing is it's rechargeable, lithium, cordless. It's very powerful. We go right into these areas. The nice thing is it's powerful. You don't need to push that hard. And 30 seconds, patients feeling awesome in those areas. So, these areas, shoulder, lower back, glute. The Arthostim, which I do use, which obviously we bought from another facility, it's mainly for light adjusting. If we want to adjust the atlas or the jaw, it's not as good for breaking up, I believe, the scar tissue. It's a little bit slower than the percussion tool. It's also pretty darn expensive. I think we paid close to $1,600, including tax and shipping. Our percussion tool is $119. That includes shipping, so very reasonable. So if you're first in practice, or if this is anyone that's just in the public, we sold a lot to people in public. But if you're first in practice and your budget's tight, buy one of these. Very easy, very quick to use. I think the percussion tool is awesome because, just using it for 30 seconds, you can do a lot of things. And just go right in and we'll kind of loosely go over these areas here. Very fast. Now this, I wouldn't use this on the jaw, obviously. I'd use more an activator or the percussion tool. Below, you can purchase it in the detailed subscription below. Just look for the link. I'll be there in a couple days. If you have any comments or questions, subscribe to our channel here. You can email me. I've been in practice for 18 years, still in practice. I've seen over 10,000 patients. So if you have any questions, just call our office. And I hope this video's helped. I hope it gives you some solutions for breaking up those nasty trigger points that patients have. Something's very powerful, very fast, and quick and easy to use. All right, we'll talk to you soon.